Welcome to Parley's Diesel Performance Product Installation Training Series. Join us now and learn how to maximize your diesel's fuel economy and performance potential. Hi, Justin here. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install a Stage 2 SI cold air intake system from Advanced Flow Engineering, or AFE, in a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta with a 2-liter TDI engine. This intake system comes in your choice of 3 different filter materials. We'll be installing the intake with AFE's top-of-the-line ProGuard 7 oiled filter. Dyno testing of this intake revealed an increase of 10 horsepower and, more importantly, 23 foot-pounds of torque at 3100 RPM. We've done some basic testing for fuel economy and found that the intake adds over 2 miles per gallon. Increased power and fuel economy in an easy bolt-on upgrade for TDI owners. We love this intake. Now let's get started with the install. Use a T25 sized Torx bit to loosen and remove the 8 screws securing the stock airbox cover to the factory airbox. You will need to reuse 2 of these stock screws with the new AFE intake system. Next, use a flat screwdriver to carefully disconnect the MAF sensor. Then unplug the breather hose from the top of the intake tube. Use a large pair of pliers or channel locks to loosen the hose clamp and remove the stock intake airbox cover and MAF sensor. Remove the stock air filter and plastic grill from the factory airbox. Use your Torx bit driver to remove the 2 screws securing the MAF sensor to the stock airbox cover. Remove the MAF sensor from the airbox cover. Ensure that the MAF sensor has the correct airflow and reinsert it into the stock intake tube using the pliers to secure it with the hose clamp. Install the rubber coupling onto the MAF sensor. Install both hose clamps onto the rubber coupling. Leave it loose but accessible. Insert the AFE intake tube into the rubber coupling and hose clamp. Now loosely tighten the hose clamps. Use the supplied screws and a Phillips screwdriver to secure the AFE intake tube to the factory airbox. Do not install this screw at this time. Using the provided large hose clamp, install the AFE ProGuard 7 filter onto the AFE intake tube and loosely tighten the clamp. Install and tighten the brass nipple using either a 1/2 inch box wrench or a deep socket. Push the breather tube onto the brass nipple. The special fitting does not require a clamp. Reconnect the MAF sensor. Fully tighten all clamps and screws, then carefully install the trim seal on the bottom side of the AFE intake cover. Secure the cover to the factory airbox housing using the last supplied screw and the 2 stock screws saved from earlier. Be sure to check all electrical connections and retighten all clamps after driving 50 to 100 miles. Your AFE Stage 2 cold air intake system is now complete. Let's take a listen to how it sounds. Thank you for watching our product installation video. If you'd like more information on this AFE product or any of our other diesel performance upgrades, please visit ParleysDieselPerformance.com. And don't forget, you can catch all of our diesel performance videos by clicking the Parleys logo on the screen to subscribe to our YouTube channel.